Hello friends, this is Richa Sharma. Welcome to my channel at Study with Richa. Today we will discuss role of resource teacher in inclusive education. Yesterday we have discussed role of class teacher in inclusive education. Now we will discuss resource teacher's role in inclusive education. Resource teacher. What does the role of resource teacher? Why we use them? Adjustment and education of the children, especially the children with special needs or disabilities, becomes a quite big challenge for the teachers and administrators of an inclusive school. It's very difficult to deal with different types of students, especially having this special need children or disabled children. So we require some special or resource teachers because the special type of training is given to them how to deal with these type of students, or how to handle, how to change their mood, or how to make cooperation with other students and with the disabled students during the classes. So teacher and school personnel experience a lot of difficulty in meeting the adjustment and special learning needs of the diverse learners on account of their lack of experience, knowledge and skill required for dealing with differently able children. So there is a special knowledge and skill required to deal with the differently able children. That's why we need resource teachers in our inclusive schools. It is why there arises a need of appointing a special education or resource teacher in inclusive education for helping in facing the challenges of an. First is resource room functions. There are many equipments in the resource room, and students need help of anybody while doing work with these equipments. So in this, they can have various aids and appliances, teaching learning materials, ICT based equipment and devices, assistive and adaptive devices, diagnostics tools, guidance and counseling literature and aid material, etc. for carrying out activities with the students, staff and students' parents. So they work with the cooperation of the resource teacher and students and sometimes parents also. So there is need of resource teacher to use all these equipments and to help the disabled childrens. Next is diagnostic functions. Diagnosing is the nature of impairment and learning difficulties faced by the child in his adjustment. Sometimes students try to adjust with the equipments, but still they need some problems. They diagnose some problems. That's why which comes in the progress of the students. So they need help of the resource teacher to solve these problems. Okay. Next is teaching or instructional functions. Here, resource teacher may share its responsibility in two separate ways. One, he directly performs the task of teaching. They directly teach the students with some special education methods or by changing their teaching methods according to the need of the students. Okay, and they use the sign language, braille scripts, multisensory and ICT means. They can use any of the method while teaching the students. In this option, they teach the students themselves, but in the second option do one more thing, that they sit to it with the childrens, and they try to help to understand what the other teacher is teaching or what the other teacher want to say. They convey the messages of the other teacher to the disabled student. So sometimes the source teacher is very important, in plays very important role to make that inclusive setup a great success. Next is behavioral intervention function. Sometimes there will be chance of negative behavior with the disabled students. So there may rise an urgent need of paying attention towards the behavior intervention in the case of one or more other differently able children facing behavior related psychological problems. Sometimes they are not ready to accept the rude behavior of others and they lose their temper. So that time the social is very important to handle these students. For example, a child suffering from autism may be found to get panic. The one picture with the special children with special needs problems, I have discussed that on my channel. If you have not seen, you can check it on my channel. And as a result of a sudden change, if a class routine or increase of the level of loudness in the classroom interactions, that time it is a special or resource teacher who may then be called for calming down the child and set him on his normal behavior. As I told you, sometimes the rude behavior or the negative behavior from the others, the students can't tolerate and they lose their temper. So that time resource teacher is very important to calm down and to be in the normal behavior. Similar in the case with other children who lose their control, demonstrate their resentment and frustration. These resource teachers have given a special type of training, special type of skills or knowledge training so that they can handle these type of students. helping and guidance function. He may help and guide a classroom or subject teacher by suggesting the ways or means how they change their methods, how which type of strategies they can use to deal with these type of students. They give them suggestions according to the time whenever they need. And next, by ways and means, as well as demonstrating the skills of meeting the learning needs. How can they help to meet the needs of students? They can change their way. They give the demonstration also. Sometimes they give the demonstration also to the teachers. And next, the helping the student authorities and staff by working as a licensed person for taking benefit of the schemes and programs. Which type of schemes are available, which type of programs are launched by the government for the disabled and inclusive education, by giving them the information regarding that also. So teacher helps the school authority. Next, he may also guide the laboratory assistants or physical education teacher, music, art, and craft teachers in dealing with the disabled or differently able children. He may work for creating a positive and favorable attitude. It's very important to create or to maintain the positive and favorable attitude regarding these disabled children. It's very important. So resource teacher helps the other teachers also to create or to maintain a positive attitude towards the disabled children. He worked for removing the feeling of inferiority, depression, and worthlessness from the mind of disabled children. It's a hard truth that disabled children are also very afraid of dealing with others. Not only the others will feel afraid of dealing with these type of students, but they also feel afraid. So there is a need to remove all these type of feelings of inferiority. It is a responsibility of the resource teacher to help the students to adjust with the equipments, like training blinds for the use of braille, how to use a braille lipi while doing work, right? Hearing impaired for the use of hearing devices. So this way, resource teacher is important in the resource room, and for while doing the work, whenever the disabled students need help, a resource teacher should provide them. Okay, next is parents are also, it is a responsibility of a resource teacher to console the parents about their fear that their students are safe in the school. They are provided the appropriate equipments, and the appropriate positive environment for the children is arranged in the school. So it is a responsibility of the resource teacher to cooperate with the parents to understand their problem and to console them that there is no any such problem in the school. Next is helping in utilizing services of the experts and professionals like medical personnel, therapists, clinical psychologists, rehabilitational professionals for the adjustment, education, welfare of the disabled children, by providing them necessary information whenever they are called, like medical personnel, therapists, clinical psychologists. Whenever they are called in the school, provide them information that they want immediately. They should not be that we have to find that information, we don't know about this. No, it should not be. The proper information regarding each and every student should be maintained by the resource teacher. So it is responsibility of the resource teacher to call them at the agency whenever it is needed, whenever they are needed, assisting them in their intervention and follow up. Whatever information they need, they should provide them. Resource teacher should provide to all these. Next, conclusion. Now we can conclude that the services rendered and role played by the special or resource teacher in an inclusive school may prove quite beneficial to the other functionaries of the school and the disabled children in a variety of ways for realizing the aims and objectives of the inclusive education. So resource teacher plays a very important role to by giving their help to the other members of the school and to the special children with special needs. So this was my session. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, so please like and share my channel, my video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much, and please subscribe it.